Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the sixth experiment of your CGV lab, which is based on the lighting effects. In this experiment we need to draw a scene which consists of a teapot which is placed on a table, and this table is placed in between two walls. Now on this table we have to focus the light with some properties. Okay, now for drawing this scene, for drawing the walls, table and table legs, we are going to use a function called glut solid cube. We are going to use a function called glut solid cube for drawing these walls, table and table legs. Now for table properties we are going to use the function called scaled, that is it is going to specify the cube's width, height and thickness. And for drawing walls we are going to write a function called wall, and here we are going to give an input as a thickness of that particular wall. Similarly for drawing table leg we have the table leg function which takes two parameters, the thickness of that particular leg and the length of that particular leg. And again here also we are going to use glut solid cube function. Similarly for drawing table we have table function which takes four different parameters, the table top width, table top thickness, table leg thickness and table leg length. These are the four parameters we are going to take. Again here we are going to use a glut solid cube function to draw the table top side of the table. Okay, then after drawing all these objects onto the screen, now the next thing we need to assign some light properties. Okay, now we are going to initialize some light properties such as ambient, diffuse, specular and shininess of a particular light. We are going to initialize these four parameters of a light using some floating point values. Now after initializing these light parameters, next we need to position a light source. Now for positioning a light source we are going to use a function called GL material FE. Now this function is used to position the light at the side, at any side we want to place a particular light. For example, if we want to position the light from the front side, we are going to use a constant called GL underscore front. And for setting the ambient property we are going to use a constant GL ambient, and we are going to pass a array name where we have saved the value for that ambient. Similarly we are going to set the diffuse, specular and the last one is shininess. Now after that the next thing is to set the light intensity. Now here we have set the light intensity as 0.7, 0.7, 0.7 and transparency factor as 1.0, means the light is going to be transparent, and the light position is going to be placed at this particular position 2.0, 6.0, 3.0, and the last parameter is set to 0, means it is not transparent. Okay, and the light source we are going to use light 0, and the light 0 is nothing but it is an light 0 is initialized to white light. Okay, after assigning all these light properties, the next thing we'll go on drawing each scene. First of all we are going to draw the table at this particular position 0.6, 0.02, 0.02. X-axis is 0.6, y-axis at 0.02, z-axis 0.02. Similarly we are going to draw a wall with thickness 0.02, and then we are going to rotate the scene to 90 degree, means each wall is the angle between two walls is 90 degree. Then we are going to draw the second wall. Now after drawing the second wall we are going to draw the basement, that is minus 90 degree, and then we are going to draw a table. We are going to draw the table. After that, we are going to draw a teapot. Now, for drawing the teapot, we are going to use a function called glut solid teapot, and its diameter we need to specify 0.08. Okay, now this is how the scene is going to be drawn, and the lighting effects have been already set. Now in main function, just initialize the glut environment by using glut init function, then assign glut init display mode, that is glut underscore single, glut underscore RGB, and glut underscore depth. Then you initialize the window size, that is here we have taken the window size as 640 by 480, and window position is going to be 100, and then you create a window, and the title line of this window will be simple shaded scene consisting of a teapot on a table. And then you initialize the display function, means the function which displays the object onto this particular window, that is glut display function, and your display function name is display solid. Then you enable the lighting, gl enable gl underscore lighting, and you are going to enable gl underscore light 0. Okay, and then you enable some other properties of a light also. Shade model, we are going to use at gl underscore smooth, gl enable depth test, means the light is going to be focused on depth. Then gl enable gl underscore normalize, then gl clear color, that is background color is 0.01 means it is going to be then gl viewport size is 00640 480. Then glut main loop, it is to display window onto the screen. Now this is a program. Now this program is going to be saved with the .c extension. Next we will see how to compile and how to run this program and what output we are going to get. Okay, now this is the command to compile your file, gcc expt6.c minus gl minus glut minus l glu. Okay, now after compiling it, just give this command and press enter. Now the next step is to run it, that is a dot out. Okay, now you can see here we have a screen, a window of size 640 by 720, and its starting position is 100, and in this scene we have 3 walls, one is at basement, 2 side walls, a table which consisting of 4 legs but only 3 legs are visible, and a teapot which is placed on that particular table. Okay, and the position of the light is at the front side, and it is focused on that particular table, and the color of the light you can see it is white, because we have chosen light 0 and it is initialized to white, and the background is little bit black color because the background color we have set as 0.01. Okay, this is how we can give the lighting effects to your particular scenes. Okay, now this is a scene which is developed by our program consisting of 3 walls. Okay, thank you.